Hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. Today's video is something that I did not plan for. It just kind of evolved over the past week, which explains I'm not getting fancy for you guys. Once again, this is not something that I planned to make a video on. What I had planned to do was make a video about all my Black Friday haul, everything that I got for Black Friday. So I was actually a few days ago, actually more than a few days ago, probably like a week ago, in the process of filming that video. And then I opened up one of the products that I got, which is this right here, Kylie Cosmetics Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This is the shade Basic, and I think that I found mold in my lipstick. You heard that right. Mold. This video can either go one of two ways. One, I could be right and this is mold. Two, it could just be the color of the applicator and I can look like a fool, but that's a risk I'm willing to take because if I am right, this is really bad. So I opened up the product and the applicator immediately caught my attention, and I know there's product on it right now. I will wipe it off. But the applicator immediately caught my attention because it legitimately is the color of mold. You know how it has that like grayish blue and then kind of green, like hints, all those colors mixed into one? This is legitimately exactly what this has. So I'm going to wipe off the product here. And if for some reason my camera here doesn't pick it up, then I will insert videos from my phone that have picked it up. Okay. Hopefully this is being picked up by the camera. It's all the way around, okay? Never in my 29 years of life have I ever seen a lip product applicator with this color. So, that being said, like, at first I questioned whether it was mold. Like, this looks like mold. I don't see it in the product, so I questioned whether it was mold or not. I actually asked everybody on Instagram that I knew, like, if they have ever seen this on a Kylie product before, because honestly, this is my first one. I was super excited to get it. My first Kylie product, I opened it and this is what I find. So, of course I wasn't sure if it was supposed to be this color, which I don't think it is, but everybody said no, everything that I have is white. Every product that I researched from them, I did extensive research on the internet after I found this, everything is white. I couldn't find any videos besides one, which is the exact same product that also has a moldy applicator. So, I think it's mold. I don't know about you guys. Like I said, I have never in my life seen anything like this before, and I don't know what to do. So, I got this from Ulta. I did not get it from Kylie Cosmetics, but I reached out to Kylie Cosmetics customer service. I said, you know, I think my product might have a moldy applicator. I attached pictures, I attached videos, and all the response I got back was, if you would like a refund, please fill out this form. And then they asked like where I got it and everything. I said, I don't want a refund. I got it from Ulta. I'm just trying to let you know that there could be a defect with your product. The response I got back was, oh, we can't refund you if you didn't purchase it here. You have to go to Ulta for that. I replied again, I have already stated I do not want a refund. I am trying to get answers about this product. Is it supposed to be that color or is this mold? And then finally, the last like third or fourth email that I had back from them, I said, listen, I'm not asking for a refund for the third time. You're obviously not even reading or listening. I just want to inform you about this. I said, can you please pass my message on to a supervisor or manager or somebody who can take the claim of a possibly hazardous product more seriously? And I have not heard back. I also did reach out to Ulta, and once again, I started off by saying I do not want a refund because here in California, stores are still closed. It would cost me more to send this back in the mail than it's worth. So I specifically started off by saying I do not want a refund. I'm just trying to alert everybody to possible mold in the product. I told them I've already tried reaching out to Kylie Cosmetics with no luck. Again, once I got back was, if you want a refund, you can do. Of course, I know that their emails are set up like that. That's automatically what gets sent back out, but it's like, come on, people. At least, like, read it slightly. I have also reached out to Kylie Cosmetics on Instagram and Twitter with no luck. So, that's my rant. I'm obviously not going to be using this. And once again, I could be looking like a complete fool right now, and this could be the color that the applicator is supposed to be. It's my first Kylie product. I don't know. But once again, following my gut and saying I really, really don't think so. What do you guys think? Let me know. This could make somebody seriously sick. Seriously, seriously, seriously sick, and it makes me very angry. Okay, I just wanted to share with you, something that I found. Like I said, I could only find one other video of a Kylie product with mold in it, and it literally was the exact same product. And hers looked like it was only part of the applicator and not the whole thing, which led me to believe that it actually could be moldy. It was like growing. Mine's completely covered. But let me know what you guys think. Is this mold? Is it not? I'm gonna go toss this in the trash, and I'll see you guys later.